Welcome to another JC Suite tutorial. Today we will be showing you how to add a listing to your WordPress website's directory. To find your directory menu, log on to the back end of your WordPress website. Once there, go to the left-hand side where all of your plugin menus are located. Scroll down and you should find a bookshelf with the word directory on it. This is going to be where you can add new listings. Now when it's completed, it's going to look something like this. Each directory may look a little bit different, but it's going to have similar features. You set up on the back end what you'd like to be able to search by. So name, business type, email, address, location. There's so many different things that you can set it up for. When you click into an actual entry though, it's going to look like this. Keep in mind that some of the look and feel will change from website to website depending on the plugin settings that your developer has chosen. Now that you've seen a completed entry, let's add a new one. Click the directory menu and click Add Listing.
When you get to Add Listing, it's going to look like a normal WordPress blog post page to a degree with some extra fields. So if you have the information of your client somewhere, I recommend just creating an Excel sheet, something like this, where it has all the different categories of information you're going to need for all your different drop-downs. So for instance, having one for their title, member ID, a little bit of a bio about them, location. Keep in mind location is always going to be needed for a directory so that you can actually have somewhere to search them by. As I had said, I have just lined up all the fields I needed in there in order to make my directory successful, and then all of my clients are right here. So these are not going to be used. We will use instead Mr. Test Subject today. So what you're going to want to do in order to add the file is just start copying and pasting all the information you have into there. So Mr. Test Subject's name, his ID number so he can be searched by ID if needed, his job title, address of his business, now since that address is fake, it will probably, oh, that's funny, apparently that does exist. So you can find it on the map. Make sure you click the Find on Map button, even though this was a total random example. Nowhere Lane, turns out, is actually an address, but you'd click Find on Map and then Get from Map, and it will turn it into it. Make sure you click Get from Map, or else it will not stick. So once you hit Get from Map, it is officially pluggable. Then move down to your next category. Figure out what he does exactly. So he may be in marketing and research. He may be in academics. We'll say marketing and research for now. That way, when you go through the list of your directory, people can search by the category of job they're looking for. Say John. Keep moving down through them. Subjects. Add a phone number, fax number, email, website if they have it, and if possible, link a couple of their social media accounts if they have them as well. Now, you may end up getting this notification that says invalid file extension as you're going along with it. Don't worry, it's not a big deal. It will work completely fine as soon as you've filled out all the fields. All that's telling you right now is there's something that's still missing. You can still hit publish at the end of it and it'll work fine and publish to your directory. Just keep in mind it might pop up. So once you have everything picked, you can also add a headshot for them. If they have a professional picture on LinkedIn, you can use that. And you'll be all set to publish your directory listing. Click Publish, and you'll see the notification listing posted successfully. That is all you have to do to add a listing. And then just keep adding more, just keep clicking Add Listing. You'll get more and more so you can build up your directory of clients. At some point, it'll finally end up looking like this. So that's all there is to it. Once again, just as a quick recap, all you have to do is go into Excel, create a Excel sheet with all of your information that you need in terms of the categories. Get that information from your clients, copy and paste it into your form, and then once you've filled out as much as you can, especially make sure to remember to do the address, you'll be able to click publish and you will be good to go.
Thank you for watching this tutorial on adding entries to a WordPress website directory. If this video was helpful to you, please subscribe. If you have any questions, leave a comment below, and be sure to check out the rest of the tutorials on our page.